Hello everyone. Designer Marketplace, as the name suggests, is a platform for PSPs to offer freelancer designers a platform to sell their design and for end customer to get access to high-end designs and printing services together. OnPrintShop offers integrated web-to-print and print order management solution with 5 specialized design studios like Canvas, Photoprint, Commercial, Photobook, and Calendar Studios. Each of these designer studios are developed to offer high-end and personalized experience to end client while designing a specific product in online storefront. Designer Marketplace is an addition to OnPrintShop solution and especially designed for printers who like to offer creative and exclusive template partnering with designers. It helps printers to attract designers to create template for variety of print product they offer, and designers earn commission when end client choose and personalize their template and order print online. This unique module helps PSPs to synergize with designer to grow their sales. Now let me take you through customer journey of Designer Marketplace. Designer Marketplace is developed after extensive research and understanding PSP's bottleneck in providing creative designs due to limited resources. In 2 simple steps, customer can personalize creative design and order online. Here in step 1, customer can get the estimation from dynamic price calculator, and in step 2, they can see all the different creative designs designed by different designer in template library. Customer can choose the template they like from their favorite designer and personalize it online in HTML5 Designer Studio and order it online as well. Also, customer can see the designer specific creative template by visiting designer page, where all the template created by the designer will be listed. Once customer will complete the order, printer will get the order details with template, job ticket and invoice in admin panel. And from the total order value, designer will get the commission for their templates. From same admin panel, printer can manage and register unlimited external designer. Now let me show you designer admin interface. Each external designer will have their own admin from where they can create different unique designs for different product. Also, they can mention the template specific cost as well. From designer admin, designer can measure their creativity performance based on sold template and earn commission. Hope you like the Designer Marketplace module. You can visit onprintshop.com or contact us for personalized demo. Thank you.